Let us continue with the next one, that is question number 19. In which one of the following does the given amount of chlorine exert the least pressure in a vessel of capacity 1 dm cube at 273 Kelvin? So we know that the partial pressure P is directly proportional to N, where N is nothing but what? It is the number of moles. We know that the molecular weight of chlorine is how many? 71 grams. Therefore, it has been given with the first option as what? 0.0355 grams. So, here 0.0355 grams, that is equal to what? 0.0355 grams is the given mass. Molecular mass of chlorine is 71, which comes out to be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 moles. Second option is 0.071 grams, that is equal to 0.071 divided by 71, which is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 moles. The third option is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 21 molecules. So here it has been given as what? 0.6.023 into 10 to the power of 21 molecules is nothing but 0.01 moles, and option D, that is 0.02 moles. So here it has been directly given 0.02 moles. So when we compare with all this, here they are asking which exhibits least pressure. The least pressure is exhibited by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 moles, which is given by the option A. Next one, question number 20. 1 gram of silver gets distributed between 10 cm cube of molten zinc and 100 cm cube of molten lead of 800 degrees Celsius. The percentage of silver in the zinc layer is approximately. So here the correct option is what? Option C. So let us discuss how option C is correct. Here it has been given that the partition coefficient of silver in molten zinc as well as lead will be 0. Means the partition coefficient of molten zinc, the partition coefficient of silver in molten zinc and lead will be 0. Therefore, concentration of Ag in zinc is equal to x by 10. Let the concentration of silver in zinc is x by 10, because it has been given that 10 cm cube of molten zinc and 100 cm cube of molten lead. Therefore, in the same way, concentration of silver in lead is how much? It is 1 minus x divided by 100. So, what is the partition coefficient? Partition coefficient is 300, that has been mentioned. So, 300. Here they have given that the percentage of silver and zinc is partition coefficient of silver in molten zinc and lead will be, here the partition coefficient is how much? 300. Partition coefficient, please correct it. Partition coefficient of silver in molten zinc and lead will be 300 it is. So partition coefficient is 300, that is equal to x by 10 whole divided by 1 minus x by 100. So if we simplify this, 300 is equal to 10x divided by 1 minus x. So it implies x is equal to how much? 30 by 31. Therefore, the percentage of silver in the zinc, layer is equal to 30 divided by 31 into 100, which comes out to be how much? 97%, which is given with the option C. So partition coefficient of zinc and lead is how much? 300. Concentration of silver in zinc is x by 10. We have considered it. Silver in lead is 1 minus of x by 100. Partition coefficient of silver in molten zinc and lead is how much? 300, which is standard. So upon simplifying, x comes out to be 30 by 31. Therefore the percentage of silver in zinc layer is 30 by 31 into 100, which comes out to be 97%.